Alright, I just wanted to show the P28 that's chipped. It's hooked up on an FTDI and an Ostrich 2.0. We got a base map on there. Emulator and data logging is not connected. I'm going to hook the emulator up so we can start it. As you can see, there's no check engine light. That means the emulator is hooked up because normally a check engine light would cycle. We are going to connect the emulator and we are green on COM port 4. Let's upload a base map. Uploading done. Let's start. And there we are. Let's see, that's super lean, it's saying. So let's update some of this. It's 2020. Let's upload that and see what happens. Oh, look at that, air fuel changed. It bumped. Alright. So there it is, it's working. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.